minamaximize nila yung program ng government na free higher education. So, yun yung nakaka-proud sa kanila.
But there are still students nga di rin niragin uupay pag-eskwela. But they take advantage and free higher education.
Minsan may nag-cheat, ang hilig mag-complain without doing first.
They should not go for grades. They should go for learning.
Hi, I'm Christine.
Ma'am Christine, proud ka ba sa mga students mo?
Yes, I am.
Bakit po?
They're kind, sweet, caring. At the same time, they're trying to learn. The perseverance.
So ano naman po yung mga ginagawa ng mga student mo na hindi nakaka-proud?
Most of the time, they are late in attending classes, and I don't like late people, tardy people. So yeah, I'm not proud of that.
So ano naman yung masasabi mo sa mga students mo?
I hope they don't have. I hope that the fire in education will remain until the very end, because some of my students are very busy doing other things in life, like working, doing household chores, and it's keeping them their brains are not wired to do a lot of multitasking, and it's keeping their academics at astray, wherein they can't focus on one thing and another. It's just that sometimes they are intent or inclined to do houseworks or work itself other than studying, because it gives them money.
Gretchen B. Patenyo po.
So ma'am, proud ka ba sa student mo?
Of course po, I'm so proud. Hakon ng students. Super proud.
Bakit ma'am? Ano nakaka-proud sa ginagawa ng mga student?
Kasi po, despite their difficulties, they came from other municipalities. Some of them live in a far-flung area. Naniniguro lagi hapon po hira bisan dam kakakurian tera na encounter.
So ma'am, ano naman po yung mga hindi nakaka-proud na ginagawa ng mga student mo?
Siguro po ang mga diri nakaka-proud nga eraging bubuhat or even though naka-gain hera or naka-medan hera free higher education, so dapat maging proud po ito hera, but there are still students nga diri niragin uupay pag-eskwela, but eragin take advantage and free higher education.
So ano naman po yung masasabi nyo sa mga student mo?
Ang masasabi ko po sa kanila, sana magpursige hira pag-eskwela, because para na tira kaupayan for their family, gihapon for their future.
So Ma'am Yams, proud ka ba sa mga student mo?
Of course.
Bakit ka proud mo?
Kasi most of them nag-aaral ng mabuti. I have working students na self-supporting talaga. So, maganda yun.
Ma'am, so ano naman yung mga hindi mo ginagawa ng mga student mo na hindi nakaka-proud?
Yung palaging absent, minsan may nag-cheat, ang hilig mag-complain without doing first. Kumbaga, obey first before you complain.
So ano naman po yung masasabi mo sa mga student nyo po?
Don't stop dreaming. You have to get your goal and always pray. Dapat may faith ka. Yun yung number one.
Doms, pagliawan.
Sir Doms, proud ka ba sa mga students mo?
Oo naman.
Bakit po?
Proud ako dahil para sa kanila, they consider coming here. Yung ibang students, especially sa mga rural areas, na nandun yung tinatawag na colonial mentality din. Na just because they go to big cities and they study in universities, they think that it will elevate their status in society. But our students do not have that thinking.
Ano naman po yung mga ginagawa ng mga student mo na hindi nakaka-proud?
Of course, hindi mag-aaral. Tapos yung parang, yun nga, pinababayaan yung studies nila. Nakukontento na lang sa kung anong grado ang ibigay ng teacher. Parang hindi nakaka-proud yun. At they should not go for grades. They should go for learning. Kasi grades will just follow.
Princess Joy Suarez.
So ma'am, questions. Proud ka ba sa mga students mo?
Proud naman. So,
Parang may doubt.
oh, proud naman.
So ma'am, ano naman yung mga ginagawa ng mga student mo na hindi nakaka-proud?
Yung mga hindi nakaka-proud is madalas silang nag-absent, tapos minsan hindi nagpa-participate sa class. Yun yung mga ginagawa nila hindi nakaka-proud. Yung mga nakaka-proud naman is may mga students talaga na mga magagaling kahit they belong to the marginalized sector ng society. At saka minamaximize nila yung program ng government na free higher education. So, yun yung nakaka-proud sa kanila.
So, ano naman po yung masasabi mo sa mga students?
Sana makatapos sila ng pag-aaral and then they will land a stable and a good job in the future. Yun lang.
My name is Rainiel D. Fesico, registered criminologist, Reserve Philippine Army.
Nice. So, sir, good ka ba sa mga student mo?
Oh naman, yes.
Bakit, sir?
Because pag may times nga nagtuturo ako, nakaka-catch up naman sila. I am having fun that they are also learning. Seldom, yung mga students ko kasi is minsan, syempre, at their Gen Z or their teenage time, hindi talaga maiwasan yung mga laziness, yung mga minimal na ano lang, na mga katamaran, for example.
So, ano naman po yung mga masasabi mo sa mga student mo?
To all my students out there, shout out everyone. So, may time talaga tayo na mag-jamming tayo after the foundation days, and then focus lang kayo sa ACADS, and then good luck sa foundation. Mananalo kami, Team Gamao. Ay, sorry. Ano kita natin, sir? Kagwang, right, yes.